down to do that a couple times?
Yeah. Just that way.
And then just kind of run that way. Do what you're gonna do.
Yeah. So then here. Like around that area.
Yeah.
Or I can try to stick a little higher and get off that top right there.
I want to do that because I can do that thing now. I know I can do that, so I'm going to overuse it. Going down, man.
I don't have to hit either though. Because what could be is once you're about to jump back, or just before you jump back, I could jump down. So while you're jumping over that, I'm starting to head downwards.
Yeah, pretty much. That's kind of what I was thinking, but. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah. I did that thing before. 2, 1. Oh, I'm moving too early. 1.
I slowed down way too much after. I said, you're rolling. Oh, did he die? Is he on the floor? Wiggle me again. Actually,
Exactly what you're doing. Oh yeah, it was cool because I didn't think of like which way I'm going because I'm not doing this.
once hit down, shoot left.
Kind of run out the camera.
Okay.
2, 1. I don't know if the ending was great, but that was good though. It's a itty bitty. 1, 2, 3. It's only 3. That might be like almost too small, but I guess we're looking. Take a look. You see, stepping on it would be easier.
Could you maybe make it a double? If you can just step off that one, you might be able to just.
What do you mean? I ain't mentally there for that yet. Yeah, that's a little bit past today, I think.
Ah.
Ooh. See, I'm overdoing it, even when I try to underdo it.
Yeah.
I think I'm good. I'm gonna slam again.
I don't even know.
Same as everything else. It's just.
Say that.
What I'm saying, but the center of balance is just weirder to find, but it's the exact same thing. Just finding the balance is the hard part.
I know. I have no practice.
Right.
On rails at all.
That's valid. Oh, you're a good player.
I keep trying to do the center of my foot.
I know. You think it'd be better, but it's actually just not. But if it didn't feel good on the front, you're just not on the, you're not quite balanced yet. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, that's just not today.
Right. I know what you mean. It's almost one of those gaps that's like too small for me now.
Ah. You have too much power.
I try to underdo it and I'm just like still going way over.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel that scary
Underdoing
anymore.
it's worse.
It doesn't feel super scary anymore though.
Yeah. Underdoing it's definitely worse on this one.
It doesn't feel amazing, but it doesn't feel that scary.
Yeah.
The jump feels like it's brand new.
I think you definitely should overdo this one.
I've never underdid it.
If you are to do it, overdo the fuck out of it. Jump over it. Just vanish. Do a magic trick.
Oh my god, fuck me.
What?
It's fucking sideways.
Oh. Welcome to my left recording.
Back over here. Yes. Yeah, see, that was pretty. But having to rein it in.
Yeah.
Woo. Committing to the ledgy stick is gotta be hard. Woo. It's a really cool looking spot though. I like it. You want to try the harder one? Scarier one, that is.
Tall. No.
It's like 16 feet. I brought a tape measure for it and broke it. This is a cheap one. Most of my shit is from there. See, that might be scarier than just kind of standing against the jump and just sidestep off the wall.
Can't you do the same thing? I gotta be different.
You gotta be different, God. Woo.
Jumping on the edge of insanity constantly, dude.
Dude.
If you don't at least do that, you're not really doing it, man.
You fucking poser.
You're fucking poser, man.
You're a poser, brother.
You didn't jump over that 13-foot story death drop?
What a baby boy poser.
Man can't even do a backflip.
I bet you can't even double gainer. Do you have a way to get up there like that? Like to that position? 3, 2, 1. I feel like I look pretty good for a run through. 3, 2. No. I slipped on the landing. 3, 2. Jesus. Get it this time. You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Did you go soaring a little?
I still just went way too hard, yeah.
Soaring.
I think I'm
Flying.
actually starting too far back. 3, 2, 1. There's stuff to do though.
Yeah. Just
This one, the timing isn't anything.
yeah.
special. I'm gonna do as close as I can to a Kong on the first one, but then I'm gonna safety off the river.
No.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
High five. Just felt really entertaining to go, like, oh, I got my back on for free. Because normally I have to talk my little brother with.
Right.
Because he's the only one, other than my oldest brother, who's taller than us. How do you think it looked? Did I do good?
Yeah. This? Fuck Prime, it's all about recover!
What if that was our first fucking sponsorship? They just came in out of nowhere and went, we see you doing a lot of Prime ads without being paid. Would you be willing to be paid 35 cents to do
Would
a
you be
recovery
willing
ad?
to not get paid to do ours?
We'll send you free bottles of recovery.
Recovery.
Huh, it's from Long Beach. Or this is where it says it's from.
You're Long Beach or California Long Beach?
Cali.
Because every state with a beach has a Long Beach.
Yeah. I've been to our Long Beach. It's dope. I like our Long Beach.
I think a lot of places around here are dope. Looks pussy.
Pastor. Are you offended by the word bitch? You're probably. And that fucking.
Of course. Sickest bail of the year. Me again. Didn't get it on film because I'm a bad YouTuber. I knew it though, my legs are tired.
Yeah?
Well, if you don't want it, we can just head out.
Maybe a sign off. Say you're dying.
Yeah, I gotta get an ice pack or something. Cause that's. Good thing I'm on vacation. Good thing I'm on vacation.